Hello mates, thank you for coming to watch this video. What I'm gonna do today is to try and fix this reel. This reel is from KastKing. It is a 6000 reel, not really a big one, and this is called Megatron version. Let's see, I just, but not the, I think it's from the Megatron transformer thing. So I'm using this reel mostly all of my fishing because like it's big, it's in the middle, not too small, not too big, and probably because of its usage developed a thing called a silent drag. See, they call it the silent drag, where you don't hear clicks anymore. See, it's silent. Try to tighten it. I'll loosen it. I'll try to tighten it. It's too tight. See, this will make a clicking sound. So we'll try and fix that. Hopefully we can fix it. So anyway, just to show you functioning clicker. So this one is my old Shimano, a smaller reel, 2005 size. So it should sound like this. And we all love this sound, means we're catching fish, probably even bigger ones. Right? Okay. So what I'm gonna do today is I actually, just watch it from random YouTube videos. It's just a wee band-aid, not really a permanent thing, but we'll try and fix it again later. Just, for the sake of fixing it, not permanently. So here, what we're gonna need is a card, or any credit card, or glue gun, a scissors, an old pen, and some forceps. Right, so first thing you do is you remove this part here. Alright, now I'm going to compare why this reel is silent and this one's working, right? So see this part here, this one, see a pointed end. That's the part where it'll touch the gear. So when you put in reverse of the drag, it'll make a clicking sound. See that there? So that's what we're gonna recreate, because this reel here doesn't have that thing anymore. Don't know if you can see it, but Yeah, I think that's it. That there. I think that there's broken. See, you can find the tip. So we're just gonna, put something here that will connect with the gear. This gear. Then it'll not be silent anymore. So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this card, just maybe 2 millimeters wide. Not too big. Right, and then cut again in the middle, just to make it more smaller. And I'll explain later why I'm doing this. Right, and you cut it here. So the reason I'm doing this, is this part here will attach on the side, and this part here will do the clicking sound. It will connect with the gear. Okay. Right. So now, how do you measure it? Like, what's the correct distance from here to here? So what we're going to do is we're going to use an old pen, right? And remove this one, the gear. It's not touching. Make sure you don't lose this. Right, we're just gonna use this. What you call this? What you call this? Washer. Yeah. And do it like this, like so. Insert it here. So you have here, just to get an idea of the distance from that side to this. So yeah, so it'll be looking like this. So this part here will be glued on the wall of this housing, and the tip will be, touching the gear. Okay, so I'm gonna measure it. So first I'm gonna bend this, not too much because you'll break the card. And yeah, so more or less we're here. Right, that part there. I'm gonna so now I'm gonna cut this. So yeah, that there now is ready. I'm just gonna glue it using this glue gun. Okay. So putting this back before I lose it. There, it's back. Let's see if this works. Right, I'm just heating up the glue gun. So actually, you can stick this clicker, I call this clicker, to any part of the wall you like, you know. So I'm gonna try and put it here, there. Right. I'm gonna stick the glue. Right. It's kind of messy, but right. So I'm gonna stick it in here, like so. Right. And put some more glue. So I'm gonna put it this way now. It's like spider webs in here. So here. So we're just gonna let it dry for a few minutes. Look at my towel, it's all messed up. Anyway, yeah. Make sure it's dry. And a disclaimer, I'm no expert, I'm no, you know, I didn't work for a reel company before, I don't fix reels. I'm just doing it because, you know, I wanted to do it myself and give it a go. But yeah, I'm still learning, according to Michelangelo. We all are. And I hope this works. Just want you to share this, you know, video. I actually just saw this from a random YouTube channel and some other channels that I watch, and try to, you know, adapt what works for me. Or right. Okay. And I think this is dry, and we're gonna try putting it back. Alright, moment of truth. This one there, it's ready. I just bent the tip a wee bit more to the right. And I'll try and put this back here. Sorry. See? It's clicking. Not this like the original, but it's clicking, it's working. Again, know if you can hear it. It's clicking now. Wow, it worked. Alright, I'm just gonna loosen it a wee bit. Try again. Yeah. So it worked. Now you have the clicking sound again. You're not silent drag anymore. See? Woohoo! Yeah, 2 thumbs up.